see Martin design. Woof woof.
Yay!
Today I have a special guest. Today we're going to do a drama TV video with my friend. Wow!
I'm actually having my own channel and I'm super excited. But go and please go and like it if you like. If you're liking on this.
So we're gonna do a hard end star theme for this.
Yeah.
So let's get started. But the sketch is
sketch and it's
so
super
boring.
discouraging.
Oh, it's too boring.
Oh, I know.
We're gonna do some
magic.
Oh, wow! Yeah, it took us a long time because we were not happy with the results. Like, literally, we did not like them at the end. Yeah.
To just do the video, but we had an amazing time.
Yeah. Sorry that you hear my little brother. He was playing Nintendo, and after this, he actually cried. He was so sad because he couldn't
talk so much because we want you to enjoy the time. We really enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy it too.
Yes, Queen. It took us too long. Like, we gotta speed this video up because it cannot be 25 minutes. I don't know why I do like the button eyes, but the movie Caroline it's just, I don't know why, but it's reminding me so much of the movie.
We're both struggling so much.
I was struggling with the eyes.
And I was struggling with the whole face.
Yeah. The whole time I was drawing two eyes.
And I was just drawing the whole face.
And I took longer than her. move on. Oh, it looks good on camera, but no, in real life, right? But life, it's so bad. Exactly. Yeah. So, like, this took so long. We need to speed this up. finally done with the sketch. I told you, I took longer time than my friend. Like,
Yes.
like how?
I'm fine.
Blue was almost done, and I'm still in the face. Seriously. Oh my god.
If you didn't already know, my name is actually not Blue, but I'm just gonna be called that because I maybe don't want to say my real name. And yeah, everyone's gonna call that in my channel and yeah, stuff.
Oh my gosh, it's just so funny.
It's so embarrassing, bro.
Yeah. You're not gonna hear this in the video, but when we were like editing the video, we speed it up and we just heard and it was so funny. We can't stop laughing. It's so embarrassing. She just watched it. You're not gonna you're not gonna hear this or see it, but we see it. The editors see it, and it's so funny. We, the master editor. Can you hear us laugh? Can you hear us laugh? Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you so slow?
I don't know. How can I be so slow? Like, even if I fast forward a video, she's almost done. She's almost done. And I'm just not even done with the face. Well, technically, yes, but you understand. Final stretch! Yay! I mean, the final stretch. Oh, oh. Almost done, finally. Yeah, we don't need to talk. It's almost done. It's some seconds left, okay? This is a final result, so I didn't really want to touch mine.
But I have to go home now. Bye.
Bye. She couldn't do it in time. Bye. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Bye.